Hello world, my voice has changed. I have received an epiphany. God has told me that I am able to move my mic closer to my face by using my tissue box as a mic stand. Now we will enjoy the blessing that I've received from God. My child, come. I have a story to tell you. Back then, before Christ, a wizard, a grand wizard named Brian W. Kernighan, and his associate Dennis Ritchie, under the command of King Linus Torvald, they were sent to subjugate the demon Almasi at Dajjal. They fought the demon arduously. It took them a total of 69 days to seal the demon by continuously printing Hello World to the demon's standard output using a unconditional loop. Since then, every apprentice wizard has been taught to print Hello World to the standard output whenever they learn a new spell, which strengthen the seal of the demon. Now we shall print Hello World for our first code to prevent the Dajjal from descending. Okay, that's enough bullshit for now. To print Hello World, you can just copy this code right here. Then you can write it to a file. You can name it whatever you want. For the extension, it doesn't even matter. But usually, people would use .asm or just .s, whichever you fancy. We'll explore what all this code means in future videos. For now, we're just gonna run it. Once the file is written, run this code in order. If you follow it correctly, then you'll see a Hello World outputted on the terminal. Congrats. Now it's time for me to say goodbye.